Welcome to the Math Magician channel. In this video, you will learn about how to round any number to a required degree of accuracy. So, what is rounding and how to round off whole numbers? Rounding is often key skill you need to quickly estimate a number. So, how we can round a number? You make a long number simpler by rounding. For rounding, you keep two things in your mind. The first thing is your number power. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are your weak numbers, while 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are your strong numbers. And this will affect in rounding of the data. If these strong numbers are there, 5 or more will raise the score. And if weak number will be there, 0 till 4, 4 or less, let it rest. It means it will not raise the score. Yes, and the next thing will be your place values. You remember the place values 1 times 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and so on. Yes, so keep two things in your mind. Now is apply all the steps that regarding to your rounding. Step number 1. Underline the target number according to the demand of the question nearest up to yes. Rounded nearest 10. It means your demand you have to underline just 10 number here because rounded to the nearest 10. So I can searching only for the 10 number 10 place. After this trap the next to the number. I will trap next to it in a circle form. I can trap all these numbers. These all are my question. I am applying just rules. Rule number 3. After applying step 2, step 3 will be effect of the strong or the weak number. If my number is strong, 5 is here, it will raise the score. 2 becomes 3. 3 is a weak number, 4 will remain same. 6 is my strong number, 5 becomes 6. 9 is my strong number, 8 becomes 9. 1 is my weak number, 6 remains same. So 5 or more raise the score, 4 or less let it rest. Yes, after step number 3, step number 4, 0 time. All numbers after underlined digit will automatically convert into 0, just like underlined digit, and after this all number will be 0. So this is called the 0 time. How many number of digits are here? Just apply and convert all this into zeros number. This is the final step. And what you got in your hand rounded to the nearest 10? Yes, you are observing here all having tens number. In the last, Yahoo, you achieve your target. Apply. It's a rounded number. Apply at everywhere. Yes, it's rounded to 70. It's rounded to 700. While it's rounded to 6,000. Check your understanding. Let's suppose your number is having this. Round it to the nearest 100. So steps in your mind. Underline the 100 place. Trap the next to it. 9 is my strong number. It will raise the score. So 8 underline digit will be your 9 due to the 9 number. This is the strong number and it will raise the score, and 8 becomes 9. And what is the 0 time? After underlined digit, I will place two zeros for the next number. Happy with that? Yes. The answer in my hands. So apply rules at everywhere. Try this and remember your targeted number. Then trap the number. Then look at the number power and apply the 0 time. Now check your answers. It's a feedback time. Were you able to round any number to a required degree of accuracy? Yes, subscribe Math Magician channel. Many tips and tricks for you. Thank you.